Hey guys, just a public service announcement. My microphone on my camera is glitching. I think it's time for a new one. I have ordered one and I've tried to get out the little staticky glitches out of the video, but you might still have a few, so please just be patient. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm happy you found us. I'm Lisa, and this is Creativity and Inspiration. Today we're going to talk fresh flowers and ways that you can style them, arrange them yourself that look professional without the professional cost. So let's just get into this. Okay. So you can go to your local grocery store or market and get fresh flowers, and depending on where you go, where you live, depends on how much you're going to pay, but roughly for a nice size bouquet they're about $8.99 to $10.99, which is pretty reasonable. They are fresh flowers. Now this one I just put in this vase yesterday when I went and picked it up, and I put it in there how it came out of the bouquet that they had made. I would not do this personally myself, and I'm going to bring you closer and show you mine. So one, if you noticed, the larger flowers are in the front and the smaller flowers are in the center, and that's not what you want. When you arrange your flowers in a vase, you want to put your biggest flowers in the center. That way you can see your smaller flowers. So in this case, it's really simple. I will kind of pull them all out, and I'm going to get a towel. Okay. I'm going to get them all out of the vase, and I'm just going to lay them gently on the counter. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the ones I want in the center first. And it's all these beautiful sunflowers. And I think there's actually only... Oh, there is more than 3, but that's fine. So I'm going to put all the big ones back in first. Just be careful not to break or bruise. Okay. So I'm putting all the big flowers in the center first. And then next I'm going to put the next size, which are these purple ones and the shallow one. So while I'm putting the next medium sized in, I'm going to hold the bigger ones up with this hand, and then I'm going to add in the next level with this hand. And you might want to trim, because we're not going by height, we're going by size of the bloom. And you want this next level, the medium sized flower, to sit just below the larger flowers. So it's a tiered effect. So we buy enough flowers that I have flower trimmers in my kitchen all the time. Okay, so let's see if that was okay. So I like that level for those, so I'm gonna get the rest of them and do them to the same level. These flowers right here. Okay, and then I'm going to pull all of these in the vase up, and I'm going to put these all around. And preferably you would want enough purple to go all the way around, but this one didn't come with that. It came with that other yellow one, so we're going to put that like that. And then next we're going to go back to our pile here and see we have these small ones left. So now we're going to cut these down to where they're right below the medium ones. So again, we're tiering the effect. And you can put these, however you're going to have it displayed, that's how you turn it, and where you put the best looking flowers. Because there's always a side that doesn't look quite as happy as one side. Okay, so I'm going to put those in the front, and I'm going to bring these around to this side. just kind of working around to where they're all tiered correctly. We gotta make sure our big flowers are staying in the center, because sometimes they want to fall out of the center. Okay, there we go. And we got our purple ones, which are our second tier. And then if you have multiple blooms on a stalk, be sure and spread those out as well. All right. Okay, so now what we've done is we've put the biggest blooms in the center, the medium-sized blooms at the next level, and then we've tiered the smallest blooms up front. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go fill in with all this wonderful greenery that they gave us. And just kind of stick it in the top. Your tall pieces stick in the top with the tallest flowers, because you want an even balance of greenery. Make sure you get it all the way around. But, okay, see that? The leaves are hiding the flowers now, so we want to cut this down. We want the leaves to be in there, but we don't want them to hide anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to tuck them in and then tuck them under like that. And see how pretty that is? And then we're going to bring these in the back, so we have some greenery back here. And if you get baby's breath, definitely make the baby's breath, because it is small, like the very bottom layer, outer layer. It'll look gorgeous. Okay, and there is our beautiful flowers. Now if you compare to what it looked like before to now, it's a big difference. This trick always works. Put the biggest bloom flowers in the center, medium, and then small. And if you have to trim them so they're layered, don't be afraid to trim. And then fill in your greenery. You want an even balance of greenery all the way around. If it comes with baby's breath, this did not, be sure and have that in the front here. Just make sure that none of your blooms are being covered up by another bloom or by leaves. And you get a very balanced look. Okay, now if you want to do something besides a vase, say you want a nice centerpiece for your Thanksgiving dinner, but you don't want to do a vase because it's hard to talk over vases, then do something flatter like a basket. The way you would do flowers in a basket is super simple. First, you can do the inside two ways. I'm going to do it one way, and then we'll come back and do it a second way. First, though, you always want to line the inside of your basket with plastic. This can be a plastic Dollar Tree tablecloth. It can be a saran wrap. It can be, you can buy rolls of plastic. So whatever you have, roll it with, line it with plastic, and you can tape it to the sides just so it doesn't fall down. That's going to catch your water and protect the surface of your tables. Okay. Once you have it lined with plastic, then you can bring in your floral foam, and you want to fill the whole thing. So you'll put your blocks in and fill up that. You'll have to cut the floral foam, that's fine. Cut it and fill up the whole bottom, and then build your bouquet the same way. The biggest flower blossoms in the center, then the medium and the small with the baby's breath and the leaf. With the baby's breath and the leaves interspersed throughout, okay? That's one way to do it. So maybe you have some special flowers somebody brought you, and you want those to be the star while you still want your flowers in the arrangement as well. What you can do is, for the center, the special flowers, you can put a special container inside your basket, and you can lift it up however much you want to. Same way, line it with your flower foam, and then that's going to be the special flowers in the center, and then fill your flowers in around. Just another way of doing a basket by layering. You can also layer, if you get little buckets, big tin bucket with a smaller bucket in the center, all different ways you can layer flowers. So anyway, I hope you like the way our bouquet turned out. Be sure and leave me a comment down below and tell me, what is your favorite flower to have around your home? Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next time. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot. I was going to do a chili video for you. I totally was tired. My CRPS has been acting up. So I just made my chili and fed my family. But I have put the chili recipe down below in the discussion just so you can have it. It's super simple and it's really tasty and easy. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.